These are the 20 most commonly mispronounced sport names from all over the world. Now the question is, do you pronounce them correctly? Let's check it out. For example, look at the sport name. This is the world's most commonly mispronounced sport name. Now, do you think you pronounced the sport name correctly? See, this sport name has 4 syllables. Sepak Takraw. And you should stress on the second syllable. Sepak Takraw. Sepak Takraw. Sepak Takraw. Now this one. This word has only 3 syllables. Archery. And while you pronounce the word, you should stress on a per syllable. I mean on R's. You should pronounce the middle syllable very shortly. I mean the sound. Archery. 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 This sport has also 3 syllables. Athletics. And remember, while you pronounce the word, you should stress on the middle syllable. I mean on lat sound. Lat. And one more important point in this word, it's not pronounced as lad. It's a little bit D sound, not T. It's lad, lad, athletics. This sport has 3 syllables. Biathlon. And while you pronounce the word, you should stress on the middle syllable. I mean on at sound. Biathlon, biathlon. That's it. This word has only 2 syllables. Bobsleigh. And you should stress on the per syllable. I mean on Bob. Bobsleigh. This sport name has 3 syllables. Canoeing. And you should stress on the middle syllable. I mean on nu sound. Canoeing. Canoeing. This sport name has also 3 syllables. And while you pronounce the word, you should stress on the per syllable. The per syllable is kai, second one is and the third one is king. Kayaking. Kayaking. Now what about it? This sport name has only 2 syllables. Slalom. You should stress on a per syllable. I mean in slow sound. Slalom. Slalom. That's it. Now what about it? How do you pronounce this word? This word has 3 syllables. Gymnastics. The last syllable isn't pronounced as ticks. It's ticks. And while you pronounce the word, stress on the middle syllable. I mean on nas sound. Gymnastics. 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 This word has only 2 syllables. Judo. And while you pronounce this word, you should stress on a per syllable. I mean on zu sound. Judo. 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 Now look at this. How do you pronounce this? This sport has 3 syllables. Kabaddi. And you should stress on the middle syllable. I mean on ba sound. Kabaddi. The per syllable is pronounced very shortly. Kabaddi. 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 Next, this one. How do you pronounce this? This word has 3 syllables. Karate. And while you pronounce this word, you should stress on the middle syllable. I mean on ra sound. Karate. Karate. The last syllable isn't pronounced T. It's D. D. T becomes a little bit D sound. So, karate. 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 That's it. Now this one. This sport name has 2 syllables. Lacrosse. Lacrosse. You should stress on the second syllable. I mean on cross sound. Lacrosse. Not Lucrosse. Okay? It's lacrosse. Lacrosse. Now this one is one of the most commonly mispronounced words. This word has total 5 syllables. Orienteering. And while pronouncing this word, you should stress on a 4th syllable. I mean on ter sound. And the last syllable isn't pronounced as ing. It's eng. So, orienteering. Orienteering. That's it. I think this one is so simple. This word is only 2 syllables. Rowing. And you should stress on a per syllable. I mean on the row sound. Rowing. 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 That's it. Now look at this. This sport name has 3 syllables. Taekwondo. And you should stress on a second syllable. I mean on quan sound. See, the full pronunciation would be Taekwondo. That's it. Now look at this one. How do you pronounce this? Just like the biathlon, this word is also 3 syllables. Triathlon. You should stress on the middle syllable. I mean on at sound. Triathlon. 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 That's it. And I think this one is one of the most favorite sports. But do you pronounce this name correctly? Let's see. See, this word is only 2 syllables. Wrestling. You should drop the T sound. You shouldn't make a T sound here. Not wrestling. Just say wrestling. Wrestling. Now this one. The sport has 3 syllables. And when you pronounce the word, you should stress on a first syllable. I mean on this. This gas. And it's not gas. This gas. A little bit A sound. This gas. Gas. Not gas. Okay? So, discus throw. Now the last one is this one. How do you pronounce this? This sport name has 4 syllables. Javelin Throw. And you also stress on a first syllable, I mean on zab sound. The P becomes a little bit B sound, so we don't pronounce it zab. It's zab. Zab. And a second syllable is pronounced very shortly. Javelin Throw. Javelin Throw. That's it. Hope you enjoyed the pronunciation, and if you found the video a little bit helpful in improving your pronunciation, then hit a like. And if you want more of this kind of pronunciation breakdown videos, then subscribe to the channel right now. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.